The latest Nike Dunk Low delivers a fresh take on a classic silhouette with a refined mix of subtle colors and thoughtful details. Dressed in light violet, metallic gold, healing jade, and sail, this pair stands out with a soft yet premium appearance. The entire upper is wrapped in a richly textured textile that feels warm and plush, similar to a brush towel, giving the pale violet shade extra depth. Layered panels and tonal stitching create a clean, three-dimensional look without feeling bulky. The swoosh blends seamlessly into the design, made from the same fabric for a smooth, unified finish. Floral embroidery on the tongue label and insole adds a playful accent, while the message under the tongue brings personality to the pair. A metallic gold chain accessory completes the design with a subtle touch of shine. Finished with a sail midsole and violet outsole, this Dunk Low blends heritage, creativity, and everyday style effortlessly.